Hey, Ashley Houseman to Sunshine Veranda. Super excited because this morning on Christmas Eve, Christmas come early, we have a dump truck coming to the house to drop off some goods. So stay tuned for the next Houseman project. Yay! Something super exciting coming to the Houseman house.
Well, oh, he's getting close to the trampoline.
Alright, so today's the big day. We're gonna find out what we're doing. What do you think it is? 'Cause this is our prep space. Yes, that may or may not be a bounce house next to the veranda. So, hey, let us know what you think it is. Big things coming. Have a great day, have a blessed day, and if you haven't liked this video, or leave a comment below, let us know what you think it is, and subscribe to our channel. Hey, have a great day.